Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu, where we have our projects. From here, we just have to select a project that we want to work on. And then here we have to tap on edit. Now we just scroll to the right in the bottom row. And then we find remove background. We tap on that. And here we can select one of the three options to either have it auto removed, and yeah, we can then check the effect. It's automatically going to remove the background. And we also have custom removal, where we can just draw over the picture, and we also have chroma key, which is going to remove the selected color from the picture. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.